how to use and assign tasks from notes in monday.com docs. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the monday.com docs and how we can set some notes from them, and also how you can assign and use the task on them. So we're going to head over monday.com. It is going to be a very easy matter here. We are going to work on our project workspace. Obviously, we're going to select one of the workspaces. We need at least, let's say here, a board so we can go ahead and connect this specific tasks from our notes or from the doc to it, because it is going to create some docs for it, or let's say some tasks, and use them from, and etc. So as you can see, this is our board. I have already created one, and if you're going to be new to this and you haven't created one yet, you can go ahead and click on add items on to workspace, click on boards, and start from one from scratch or from a template. If you're going to choose from templates, you're going to have a library, which is going to be a very large library to contain templates on different type of boards, depending on the needing that you have them for. So as you can see here, we have some boards. I'm not having only one or two or five boards, but basically it is going to be a matter of 10s and 20s. They are going to be all for tests. Now we're going to add an item to our workspace, which is going to be a doc. We're not going to use a doc from template, but we are going to use a one from scratch. It is going to give it the privacy of the main. As usual, we're going to let it as main. And for the doc, name is going to be, for example, I'm going to have it as test. We're going to create the doc real quick. It is going to show up normally an empty doc, which is going to be this. So these are going to be the elements that we can add to the docs. So basically, what can we do? We can add content like the AI, as you can see, and also we can add the lists, boards, widget, checklist, bulleted, whatever you're going to have. So now we're going to start by adding an item or create an item into a board. How we can do that? It is going to be a matter of writing something. So we're going to start by adding a task, for example, like a title of it. So I'm going to have maybe some titles here. So large title. I'm going to have large title, for example, daily tasks, for example, daily like this, task, for example, and we're going to have, for example, a text, day, not like this, but like that. So we're going to have, for example, watch, let's say activity log on Monday, or on the board, on the or off the board. So we're going to have, as you can see, this as a task. We're going to select it all. After that, it is going to find or set up this text editor, and the magic button is going to be here. As you can see, it is going to have a photo of the board with a plus sign. Create items in board or task. So we're going to click on create. We're going to select our board, as I have told you before that we need to have a board. So let's head over the board name, inventory management. So we are going to select the board, and we're going to select one of the groups that we have. So I have selected this one and the group that it has. Each one of the boards is going to have a group. So as you can see, we have set up this, as you can see, task. When you click on it, you're going to find more details about it. Now, since we have created this task, how we can assign persons to it? So basically, we have assigned this task to a board. For example, you can go ahead and have the column of assigned to, or the person to have this, from there. So you can go ahead and assign it to a specific person. Now, if I head over the inventory management, you're going to find this. Watch, as you can see, activity log on the board. We have added it there. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.